how to fix DoorDash scheduled order not processing on time. So first thing first, since I don't have an access to the DoorDash account in my region, I'll be using screenshots and official information from DoorDash to walk you through the process. Now to fix this issue, what you can do is open your DoorDash app. Then go to your orders at the bottom right corner of your screen to see if the status has updated or if a payment or driver error occurred. You can contact DoorDash Support. You can contact DoorDash Support via in-app chat for a manual override or refund. Now for the immediate troubleshooting steps, what you can do is first close the app. See, when you open your DoorDash app and you find some kind of issue going on with the app, you can just simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen, pause in the middle to open the app switcher, then swipe away the DoorDash app from your multitasking screen and then reopen it to refresh the live connection. Now the next what you can do is scroll down the control center from the top of your screen and switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to clear network lag. Also, make sure that your card was not declined or flagged for a verification check. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.